Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. My name's Sharon Holt and I'm the author of Te Reo Singalong books, and today I've got the award that we got at the Māori Language Awards for our books in 2013, because this award, I believe, was carved by the same person who wrote this amazing haka for the All Blacks. Derek Lardeli wrote that, and somebody on the page has kindly asked me to pronounce it, so here I go. So Derek has written this for the All Blacks as their special haka for them, which they perform on certain occasions which they decide. First performed in 2005 at Carisbrook against the Springboks. So Kapa is about team or group, and O is of, and Pango is black. So it's the team of black. So Kapa haka is the team of people doing the haka. So that's what Kapa haka means. And Kapa haka is obviously the team of people who are doing performing. Taringa whakarongo means, taringa is ears and whakarongo is listen. So it means listen up, because the leader is telling the people in his team to listen up. And then he's saying, kia rite, kia mau. So remembering a, e, I or u, that's how to pronounce all of the vowels here, and putting a break after every vowel. So this is mau, mau. Kia rite is about, in this instance, is about getting into your lines, getting into your positions, and rite is about sort of straight and right and in the right place. And then we've got kia whakawhenua au ia hou. There's a couple of different translations online for that, and for some of the other sentences as well. So this is about O is myself. So this particular one that I've got off the All Blacks page says, let me go back to my first gasp of breath. And another one is about sort of being one with the land. So it's a mixture of all that. Whenua obviously is land. Whakawhenua. He aue he. He aue he. So this isn't hi, this is he, because we've got a, e, I or u. And that's a thing that people do in kapa haka. I'm not completely sure if it's got any particular meaning. It's just kind of about, you know, yeah, just getting really riled up. Ko Aotearoa, ko Aotearoa, ko Aotearoa, New Zealand, e nguru nei. Nguru. E nguru nei. So that's about New Zealand rumbling and thundering. Hi o, oe ha he. I believe that's about, it's my own for the person that's saying it in the team. It's my time, it's my moment. And then ko Kapa or Pango, team of black, e ngunguru nei. So it's the same as this. This was New Zealand thundering and rumbling, and now this is the All Blacks thundering and rumbling. So they're like, it's just all about kind of working ourselves up to do well in the game. Hi o, oe ha he again, and then a little bit more of that. I ha ha. I a ha ha. Ka tū te ihi ihi. Ka tū te wana wana. So that's about anticipation and power kind of arriving, and because of all this it's built up and it's arrived. Ki runga I te rangi is about up high in the sky, and this was the bit that I wasn't sure about, because most of the translations online have ki here. Ki runga ki te rangi, but on the allblacks.com page it has I te rangi. So I kind of went with that one thinking, well, perhaps that one's right, and I listened to Aaron Smith doing it on YouTube, and it was quite clear, and I'm pretty sure I heard him saying I, not ki, but I could be wrong. But most of the translations do say ki, and the meaning is quite similar with I or ki, so I'm pretty sure they're about the same. But if you do know Derek Lardeli, perhaps you can ask him and let us know. Then, so this is about up high, but this kind of goes before it, because this is about our supremacy and our power being raised up high. That's what that means. Ponga is a word for silver fern, so it's not panga, it's ponga, because it's R-E-E-O-U, ponga rā. So that's about the silver fern that they're wearing on their jersey. Kapa o pango aue hi, ponga rā, kapa o pango aue hi ha. So that's just kind of that big bit at the ending after you've rumbled and thundered and you've put up your supremacy and power and you've done all that and you've worked yourself up into believing in yourselves, and then we're just saying All Blacks, team of black, silver fern, team of black, silver fern, and it's just kind of like, yes. So if you want to find out more about that, just put Kapa o Pango into Google, as I did, and that's how I found about the history of Kapa o Pango. Listened to Derek Lardeli talking about writing it, which I really recommend. It's really, really a good thing to do. I found that really interesting. And yeah, that's how to pronounce it. Thanks for the question. Ka kite.